Hey guys, I'm Afreen and welcome to my channel and thanks for tuning my channel. So guys, I'm here with my another review video, and today I'm gonna review on under eye cream, and I'm using this under eye cream, and this is from Himalaya. I just wanted that you guys are able to see or not. So this cream is from Himalaya, and if you guys know me, then you might be know that I'm in love with this brand, Himalaya brand. I'm using lots of product from Himalaya brand, and if you guys are now confused about which under eye cream you should use to remove your dark circles, to prevent your eye bags, and to give relaxation to your eyes muscles around your eyes, and you might be confused which under eye cream you should use, because when I was planned to use or start any under eye cream, I was also confused, and I was also go to the net and internet, and I was searching which cream is used for my under eye, because guys, of course it's a thing which you have to think before using any cream, because the area of your under eyes is so sensitive, and you should not go in any wrong way, you should go any right way before using any under eye cream. So I'm making this video those people who really wanted to go with a good product for their sensitive area, for their under eye area. So I'm making this video for those. So yes, I'm using this since 3 month or 4 month, and this is completely extremely good product, and this is completely good for my eyes. Even in first day I used this under eye cream, and the area of my under eye, I mean this area, I feel so relaxed. Even after one day I feel good, but I wanted to see the result. I just wanted to go for test for 1 month, and then I decided to make a review video, but still I got late. I know it's around 3 or 4 months, but it's okay, because I really wanted to experiment for on myself, and then I wanted to share this with you. So of course I apply this 4 months, so it's good. And if you are on plan to start using any under eye cream, so you should use this, it's good. uh, Firstly, I was purchased this to, just to experiment on myself. I'm not sure that this is good, but after applying this, after using this, I am completely sure that this is good, and I really wanted to share to all my friends that this is good. And if you want to use any under eye cream, then you should go with the Himalaya under eye cream. And if you're facing the problem of under eye, dark circles or eye bags, or the the pain, or the stress around your eyes, then I recommend that you should start using any under eye cream before bedtime, or before you going out anywhere. You should apply this or any under eye. I feel that this recover your under eye area from darkness, from eye bags, or from little stress which you feel, because nowadays we completely all the time we use mobile phones, so our eyes getting stress, so this is good for that. And of course I feel difference, but sometimes I got under eye is in this dark circles, because of sometimes I can't able to sleep for night, so I got dark circles. Otherwise there's no reason, I'm good, and I'm okay with this under eye cream. So I would say that you should also start with this under eye cream. So guys, yes, this is it for this review video. I think you guys are completely okay with this video, I think you got the complete knowledge about it. And I think if you are going to plan to take any under eye cream, and this video will satisfy you, so yeah, you can go and purchase this under eye cream, this Himalaya under eye cream. So guys, yes, that's it for this video. And I think this video helps you out. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. And if you know any other friends who wants to start and go for any night cream, then share this video with those friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, share my channel. And yes, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.